Today we're going to upgrade the interior of CJ Pony 1, our 1968 Mustang Coupe, with a brand new custom Deluxe steering wheel from ACP. This beautiful steering wheel from ACP is going to be a direct replacement for the factory Deluxe steering wheel found in your 1968 Mustang. It features a black and wood grain two-tone design, and again will be a direct replacement using the factory hardware. Since removing the wheel requires us to mess with the horn, first thing you want to do, disconnect your battery. Then we're going to remove the two retaining screws for the horn pad. Okay, now we're going to remove our center retaining nut. Now remove your factory horn. You're going to basically push in and then turn. Remove the horn and the spring. Now at this point you might get lucky and give it a bump. It might come off, but probably won't. Now you got to get out your steering wheel puller to remove the steering wheel. At this point you're going to need a steering wheel puller to get this wheel off. We do offer one here at CJ's. Most auto parts store do as well. In my case I'm actually going to use a crank puller. Works the same way. Okay, now grab our new ACP wheel, and you put this on, I'm gonna line it up nice and straight, but also make sure these contacts are at the bottom, because remember the horn ring is on the bottom of these wheels. Now we can reinstall the retaining nut. Now we're going to reinstall the original horn ring. These tabs basically go down in here and you press and turn. So again, you want to put the spring on at the same time. Yeah, it's locked in place. Now we're going to reinstall our horn pad. Again, this obviously is an excellent time if you want to replace yours if you're worn out. Ours is actually not in bad shape, so we're going to keep it. And again, get these screws snug. You don't have to crank them too hard. Now you want to reconnect your battery and your installation is finished. The ACP Deluxe wood grain wheel really adds a nice touch to the interior of our Mustang. It's a very, very classic look. And again, this is a great direct replacement for your Shelby steering wheel or your factory Deluxe steering wheel. As far as the installation goes, pretty typical. Give yourself about an hour or so. You'll be back on the road in no time.